Hello traders, I welcome you to E-marketTubeFX, and you are with your trader Henry Ampim. Today I want us to look at a quick technical analysis on BTCUSD. As you can see on your screen, this BTCUSD chart, this is the daily chart. I want us to look at this analysis so that if you are a trader and you are thinking of buying BTC, you know when you are to buy BTC. And if you're a trader, you are thinking of selling BTC, you also know when you are supposed to sell BTC. So this is a quick technical analysis that I want to do with you so that you can make a prudent decision as to whether you are going to buy BTC when, and also if you're a trader, you are thinking of selling BTC, you know when you are to sell BTC. I did a similar technical analysis of which I posted a signal to members in my trading community, E-marketTubeFX on Telegram, and that of WhatsApp on Friday, that we are going to buy BTC, and the results was insane. I posted a signal that we are going to buy BTC. Come and see price begin to move in our favor, of which generated over 300 pips, and the bullish candle that you see here is what actually transpired on Friday after I sent a signal that we are going to buy BTC. And what actually influenced my bullish bias was that, as you can see, the whole of last week BTC was selling, and it reached its oversold level. So I was patiently waiting for price to sweep the liquidity at this swing low. I was patiently waiting for price to sweep liquidity at the swing low. Maybe an ICT trader, if you are trading and you rush trade, you rather end up being a liquidity to the market. So I was patiently waiting for these market makers to push price down to sweep liquidity at the swing low. Then I can also join the market, of which happened. Then during that time, there was a news by Jerome Powell on USD, a hint on rate cut. As you can see, 22nd August 2025, that was Friday, there was a hint of rate cut. So when this hint was given by Jerome Powell on the USD, I knew very well that this is going to cause investors to lose faith with regard to the USD. So I knew very well that this is going to boost the bullish move which is about to happen. So quickly, I need to inform members in my trading community that it is time for us to buy BTC, of which generated over 300 pips. That was Friday. As you can see here, generated over 300 pips. Then since today, BTC selling. BTC deeply selling. So as you can see here, we have a fair value gap in a 4-hour time frame. What the chart I showed you earlier on was this is the daily time frame. So when you come to the 4-hour time frame, we have a fair value gap. So as BTC was selling today, I was expecting BTC to reverse from the mid of this fair value gap in the 4-hour time frame. But when price got there, I realized that the selling move was very strong. So I was expecting BTC, after filling the fair value gap, we also have a valid order block here. So I was expecting BTC, after filling the fair value gap, to reverse here, but price was pushing down. So it came in mind that yes, since price is strongly pushing down, it means these market makers are pushing price down to sweep liquidity at this swing low. Because many traders have placed a buy order and they have their stop loss down here. So price move to where liquidity is. These market makers always do their best to push price to where there is liquidity. So as price was pushing down, I was not surprised because we have a pool of liquidity down here, of which these market makers are pushing price down to sweep liquidity. Then after sweeping the liquidity, then the bullish move will ensue. So if you're a trader and you are watching me at this very moment, you are thinking of buying BTC, this is the time for you to buy BTC, because these market makers have already swept liquidity at this low. As you can see from the this bearish candle, the long wick is not just an ordinary wick, it's a wick that has swept people's money. If I say liquidity, it is a wick that came down to take people money down here, because many traders have placed a buy order and they have their stop loss down here. So as price pushed down, it has taken all this money, and these market makers are now ready to push price up. So we are expecting BTC. So at this very moment, if you are thinking of buying BTC, as I earlier mentioned, there's a time for you to buy BTC. You can have your stop loss at this swing low, below this swing low. Then you can place a buy order. You can target here to be your TP. Yes, and we expect we expect price to go beyond this swing high that we have here, and the hint on the rate card too. We are praying that the rate cut will come to pass. Since being a lover of BTC, I'm praying that the rate cut will come to pass come September, so that the BTC will have enough space to continue its bullish move, so that we can even have BTC hitting its record high at 150,000. Yes. You're praying that BTC will reach there. You're praying come September, the rate cut will come to pass. So if this the rate cut come to pass, then it means that it's going to support the bullish move. It's going to support the bullish move to even go beyond the high price or the swing high that we have here, which is around 124,458. Praying that the rate cut will come to pass, so that it will support this bullish move. This is not going to happen overnight. It's going to take time. But if you're a trader, you are thinking of buying BTC, this is the time to buy BTC. As I earlier mentioned, you can have your stop loss at this swing low. Then you just place a buy order. You can target this zone to be your TP1. Here too can be your TP2. You can have your TP3 here, TP4 and TP5 at this range. So it's not going to take just a day. If you are a positional trader, you can target this high, then you sweep money from the market. Even though you're going to have some short-term bearish move on the market, but the main target is that BTC is going to rise up. If you're a trader and you are watching me at this very moment, and price do validate this analysis that I'm having with you, remember, E-marketTube have already informed you. Don't be afraid buying BTC now, because these market makers have already swept liquidity at this swing low. So it is time for BTC to rise. On Friday, when price went on the bullish move, we expected BTC to continue. And you know, these market makers, how they do their thing. They know very well that a lot of traders have placed a buy order and they have their stop loss here. So they need to come down and sweep that liquidity, then they will continue the bullish move. So me, I'm not surprised that BTC came down throughout Sunday. BTC came down and swept liquidity, and now it is time to rise up. So if you're going to rise up, we are going to rise up with BTC. We are also going to place our buy order and rise with it. So if you are thinking of buying BTC, don't be afraid. If you are thinking of buying BTC, there is a time. And if you are a trader, you are thinking of selling BTC, please look at it again. Look at it again. It is time for us to buy BTC. So you can also do your analysis and check if what I'm telling you is truth or lie. And this is what E-marketTubeFX does. I did similar analysis and I posted, as you can see on the screen, I posted the signal to members in my community that it is time for us to buy BTC. Immediately after price sweeping liquidity at the swing low, I told them that it is time for us to buy BTC. And the hint tool on the rate card tool also supported that bullish move, and we generated over 300 pips profit. So today I'm doing same analysis with you, and I know price is going to validate this analysis and